A warm welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you how to make pakoras or fritters. Pakoras are basically Indian fritters made with gram flour and vegetables and fried till crisp. Pakoras are classic Indian finger foods that no one can resist. These are easy to make and scrumptious. These pakoras are incredibly crisp, delicious and are extremely addictive. These are perfect tea time snack and are must have for iftar in many households. So let's get started. For making the pakoras, I have taken 2 potatoes sliced like this and I have kept them in water so that they won't turn brown. 2 thinly sliced medium-sized onions, a cup of gram flour or besan, a handful of chopped green coriander and 2 finely chopped green chillies, water for making the batter, oil for frying, and I have taken ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of baking soda that will make them crisp, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Now in gram flour or besan, add all the spices, mix and then add ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice, mix properly, then add water. Water we have to add slowly so that we will get a proper batter consistency. So we will be adding water slowly. Keep mixing and adding water till we get like this consistency. Now our batter is ready, we'll keep it aside. Now I'll add coriander and chillies to onions and mix them properly. We will move towards making pakoras. Till then I have heated oil also, and now I'll be dipping all the potatoes in this batter. Make sure to coat them on all sides. We'll be using same batter for onions also later, so we don't have to discard this. Add them to hot oil and we don't have to overcrowd the pan. So fry them till they are crisp on both sides. And fry on other side also. Now here the pakoras are ready and we will take them out on paper towel. Now in a remaining batter of potatoes, I'll add more gram flour for onion fritters or pakoras, because the batter for onions should be thick. Now I'll be adding onions and make sure all the onions are coated properly with the batter. So here you can see like this, they should be coated properly. Now take a small portions and add it to hot oil and fry them till they are crisp on surface. Flip and fry on other side also. Once they are fried properly, I'll take them out on paper towel. Fry the remaining ones also like this. This whole combo of pakoras are served with tea. They are easy to prepare and taste too good. All the pakoras or fritters are ready. I have taken them. I'll take them out on paper towel. These fritters or pakoras are famous street food snack and are irresistible and can be served with any chutney or dip of your choice. Give them a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.